guys, so we made it to Fairbanks. Our house is not closed, so to stay in an RV park for about a week. I'm waiting for the final paperwork to be done. We got delayed because of a window that didn't meet egress. We're staying at one that's right on the river over by the airport. Let's give you an idea. It is after 10 o'clock at night. So that's going to be an adjustment. We're a little worse for the wear. We have been given approval from the sellers to store things in the garage of the house until the closing is done, because we can't actually take possession of the house until the closing is done. We have to pay $25 a day to store our stuff there until the closing is done, so hopefully they speed it up so it doesn't cost us an arm and a leg. But storage units are scarce here, and couldn't get one for a decent price. Actually, couldn't get one at all. They're all on waiting lists. So me and my brother are going to get that situated tomorrow. We're going to unload the truck into the garage there and take the U-Haul back, and hopefully get to relax and chill a little bit. He leaves back to go back to his lovely wife and my beautiful nieces tomorrow night, and so I'm sure they'll be happy to see him. I'm sure they miss him. He's been with us for almost 3 weeks, so it's pretty cool of my little brother to do that, but he needs to go home so that he can be with his family and do his things. So I'm going to call this a night on this video. We've reached Fairbanks. I will probably take a little break because I have a lot of videos to do from Canada when I had no service. I'm going to get those up, and hopefully by the time I get those up, we'll be moving into the house. But you might see a few things as we kind of go do something. So you guys have a good night, and see you next video.